how to build a simple website without coding. In this video, I'll show you how to build a clean and professional website step by step without writing a single line of code. Firstly, choose the type of website you want. Before building anything, decide what kind of website you need. For example, business website, portfolio, blog, online store, or personal brand website. Knowing your goal makes the process easier. Pick a website builder. The easiest way to build a website without coding is by using website builders. Some popular options are Wix, WordPress, or Shopify for online stores. These platforms use drag and drop tools, making website creation beginner-friendly. Choose a domain name. Your domain name is your website address. For example, mybusiness.com or chronologytv.com. Keep it short and easy to spell. Most website builders let you buy a domain directly. Pick a template. Website builders provide ready-made templates. Choose a template that matches your brand or niche. Customize your website. Now it's time to edit your site. You can change colors, add your logo, upload images, and edit text. Everything is drag and drop, so no coding is needed. Create important pages. Every good website should have important pages like homepage, about page, contact page, services page, and blog page. Keep your pages simple and easy to navigate. Make your website mobile-friendly. Most people visit websites on their phones. Always preview your site on mobile to make sure text is readable and images fit correctly. Avoid blurry photos and too much text. Your website should look clean and professional. Basic SEO setup. To help people find your website on search engines, use clear page titles and add keywords. This helps your website appear on Google searches. Publish your website. Once everything looks good, hit the publish button. Congratulations, your website is now live on the internet. You can use your website to promote your business, showcase your portfolio, sell products, or grow your YouTube channel. If this video helped you learn how to build a website without coding, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials.